Heritage Auctions representative. Sure, the value of the coin can vary depending on a few factors, such as its condition, rarity, and demand. But generally speaking, a 2 pence 2000 coin in fine condition can fetch a price of around £50 to £100 at auction. Wow, that's quite a high value for such a become highly sought after by collectors. At the recent Heritage auction, one of these rare air coins was sold for an impressive $7,200. That's a huge increase in value compared to its face value of just 2 pence. This coin varies depending on its condition, rarity, and historical significance. As of today, the coin is estimated to be worth around £2,000, £3,000, $2,775, $4,162 USD in mint condition. However, this particular coin we're talking about has an even higher estimated value of £4,000, £6,000, $5,551, $8,322 USD due to its exceptional condition and rarity. The UK 50 pence 1997 coin is scheduled to be auctioned off at the upcoming Heritage auction in excellent condition, with no signs of wear or damage. The auctioneer began the bidding at $3,500, but soon the bidding quickly rose to over $5,000. In the end, the coin was sold for an impressive $7,500. This is a testament to the value and desirability of this particular coin. A 1995p dime was sold at the Heritage auctions for a staggering price of $1.32 preserved 1997p dime in perfect condition can be worth a significant amount. Recently, a 1 dime 1997p coin was sold at the Heritage auction for an impressive $11,200. This particular coin was in excellent condition. The 1 peseta 1966 Francisco Franco coin is no exception. At recent Heritage auctions, this coin has sold for between $10,000 and $15,000 depending on its condition.